Desert.
There's a water for healing too.
So, hold on, I'll have to. This is cold.
Episode 5. This is like a broken dinosaur.
And then layers right here.
Oh yeah, the layers of rock.
Let's see how big an explosion of water I can make. Look over there. Whoa! Some sprayed on me.
This is about how much water I have left. I'll have to conserve that for 7 minutes. About. So, you think I can conserve this in 7 minutes? This is the time when I should start preparing to go. The only thing I can really come with and bring home is my water bottle. I couldn't bring those kittens home. They probably had a mama. Oh. Whoa. Ooh, look at that. Blood.